Hey guys, this is another video request, and some of you asked me, hey Daniel, how do I get whiter teeth fast at home? Well, let's jump right into the video and I'll tell you.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
Now just very quick, if it's your first time here on my channel, I'm Daniel and welcome to DanieI Model Lifestyle. On this channel I talk about fitness, grooming, style and life itself. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it and also click that notification bell so you won't miss any of the next videos. Now let's look at the first thing you need to do to get whiter teeth. The first thing you gotta do is to stay away from foods that make your teeth yellow in the first place. Prevention is always better than treatment afterwards. So you gotta stay away from food like tomatoes, curry, pasta, and berries. And also drinks like coffee, tea, red wine, and other dark drinks or foods. They contain pigment-producing substances that can make your teeth yellow. Now, I don't mean you have to stay away from it completely, because I love my coffee and I love certain foods and I'm still gonna eat it, but you need some balance. So don't go overboard. And then, very importantly, rinse your mouth out with water after you're done eating or drinking. And also remember to brush your teeth, to clean it and to get rid of all the plaque buildup. Now, if you don't brush your teeth regularly, of course, you're gonna get stains, it's gonna look yellow, and that's not what you want. Now, other things that causes yellow teeth are genetics, sugar, and smoking or chewing tobacco. So here's another reason why you should stop smoking. Apart from cancer, money, and bad odors. All right, let's move on to the next one. Whitening toothpaste. Now, come on, Daniel, does it really work? Well, yes, not in a big, drastic way, but it does work. I use it all the time and my teeth stays white and, yeah, shiny. But you gotta use it the right way. Now, most people just brush their teeth quickly, spit it out, and just, okay, that's it, that's done. Do you actually know how long you gotta brush your teeth? And no, it's not 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. It's actually 2 minutes. And then, after I've brushed my teeth for 2 minutes, what I do then is I push the whitening toothpaste to the front of my mouth and I keep it there, to the front of my teeth, for 30 seconds to 1 minute before I spit it out. And it works. The next one is baking soda. What you want to do is you want to make a paste kind of thing. You want to take the baking soda, add some water, and then add whitening toothpaste to it. It will not only help with the bacteria in your mouth, but it's also going to help you with the stains on your teeth. And it's so easy to try it out because you can buy it everywhere. You can buy it online, you can buy it at the store. Try it out, it works. Hydrogen peroxide. Now, most of you probably already know that this is a natural bleaching agent, right? But a lot of people also use it to disinfect wounds because it kills bacteria. But you can also use it to whiten your teeth. Try it out, it works. You can actually mix it with baking soda as well. Activated charcoal. Now, there's not as much evidence for this as there is for baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, but thousands of people say that it works. But then also a lot of other people, thousands of people say it doesn't work. So what is this? What is activated charcoal? Well, it's basically this black powder made from coal, bone char, peat, coconut shells, petroleum coke, olive pits, or sawdust. It helps to pull the toxins from your mouth and also supposedly whitens your teeth. I don't know, I'm just being honest. I haven't seen any difference, but I'll add some links for you in the video description so you can do your own research. Apple cider vinegar. Now, some people say that this works great. I haven't tested it myself and I won't because it can cause tooth decay and weakens the enamel of your teeth. So I'm not gonna test it. I wouldn't actually recommend it, but it also supposedly whitens your teeth. Let's go to the next one. at-home teeth whitening kits. Some do not work that well, but some do. Look for the professional ones. I use it myself and it works for me. Now, of course, they cannot give you that super white teeth that a dentist can, but it will give you that white smile that you want. But please don't go for those cheap quick fixes. Don't go for those ones. Go for the professional teeth whitening kits. They contain bleach, which is a peroxide that will whiten your teeth. I'll add some good options for you in the video description down below that you can check out. And then finally, the best thing, go and see your dentist, because they can do a professional cleaning for you and also whiten your teeth. Now before I go, let me leave you with this. Take care of your teeth, because your smile is the best thing that you can wear. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.